Well, a number of things that we've done. Obviously, we as a government have announced our Green Job Strategy, and I was the Minister responsible for initiating that, and that's got two main strands. And one is to actually create more green jobs, whether that's around renewable energy, around the waste agenda, or whatever, and also, of course, to green existing jobs within industry by making industries much more energy efficient, reducing the reliance on electricity, and making transport a lot more efficient by, for example, giving grants to companies to transfer a lot of their stock from road to rail, by giving grants for that. And obviously there's around, we think, 119 million being invested by the government in one way or another in either securing green jobs or greening existing jobs. A lot more work to be done, but I think we've got the right direction of travel. The other thing we're doing, of course, is supporting the Low Carbon Institute, which actually is now looking at ways in which we can capture a lot more for the economy on the low carbon agenda.